Hey everybody, so we are going to be painting this beautiful dresser, okay? So we're just gonna like, I don't know, just wing it, okay? So we're gonna just grab a dirty rag, just the dirtiest one with stain would be perfect. A brush, I mean, even if it's stiff, it's fine. And then just, I mean, whatever you can find around the house. So anyways, let's get started. So I'm gonna get this chalk paint and we're gonna go. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to do a tutorial on painting a coffee table and a velvet fabric chair. So I'm going to be using a Rustoleum chalkboard, black paint. Never used this brand before, but I wouldn't imagine it's any different than using mascara. And then I'm going to, seal it. I got to research how to do it first, but it's going to be awesome and it's going to be so beautiful. Lastly, I'm going to apply Midnight Floral. I just spent about $77 on this. Never used it before, but I saw a YouTube video, so I'm sure it's simple. So today I am going to use Dixie Belle Paint, Mod Podge brushes, and this beautiful floral print that I am going to distress these crates with, apply it with, and have that really beautiful crate just as the decorations for your home. So first things first, you want to have a brush. Oh my gosh, I love these brushes. I got them at Target. Can we just take
a minute to just talk about how amazing Target is? Like, I just feel like this color right here just reminds me of marshmallows and like
camping. I love camping.
If you love camping, subscribe. So that's pretty much it. I mean, thank you for watching. I hope you loved it. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. If you have any questions, comment below. But yeah, so bye. So today I'm going to be doing this beautiful blue piece. It's real pine wood. I'm going to start out with just really basics. I know a lot of people have all these complicated things, but we're just going to use Rustoleum brand chalk paint, Coastal Blue. And then we're just going to seal it with the Rustoleum matte clear enamel. Rustoleum is the best brand. You definitely need them, okay? So after I paint everything and seal it, I'm going to just distress it a little bit, give it a perfect finish. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I love it. It just turned out so beautiful. You can see like the distressing is like, I left a little bit of natural color, but not too much. And like, I just love that wash. Like, I mean, honestly, you can hang it and like, it's gonna match any decor in your home. I love it. So like and subscribe for more videos. I can walk you through step by step. But yeah, I'm just so proud. I love that. Okay, that was awesome.